So, hello everyone! Ako yung magre-report sa inyo ng facilities and equipment of table tennis. So, hindi na natin patatagalin guys. Let's start. So, first thing, the table tennis. The table tennis it can be played in a wide variety of environment. So, hindi mo siya mapipili kung saan ka pwedeng maglaro kasi anywhere pwede kang mag-play ng table tennis. Basta't, tuloy natin. So, variety of environment, which is an advantage because it is easily set up, but also a disadvantage as it is easily packed away, therefore becoming invisible. So, ang paglalaro daw ng table tennis, guys, is talaga naman na madali lang siyang i-set up at madali din siyang i-pack or iayos, ganon. So, often the sport is made to up with substandard facilities such as poor lighting, unsustainable floor covering, or inappropriate wall coloring. So yung i-discuss natin mamaya yung mga magagamit mamaya dyan. So, basta dito kanina is that pwede kang mag-play kahit saan basta meron kang malawak na space. So, hindi siya as in totally malawak pag-uusapan din natin. So, compared to most other sport, the size requirements for table tennis are relatively small. So, therefore, you can play the game almost anywhere. So, as I just was said a while back na pwede kang maglaro ng table tennis kahit saan mo gusto basta meron kang open place. Pero, for your information, everyone, hindi lang kahit saan mo gusto maglaro. Pipiliin mo din kung saang park. Kasi kung maglalaro ka ng table tennis, sabihin na natin sa outdoors, pero mahangin naman, hindi mo lang din ma-enjoy ang paglalaro kasi pwedeng or there's a possibility na yung bola is magkakaroon ng other direction. So ideally, table tennis should be played in a dedicated space with appropriate facilities permanent available. However, that's not always possible. So, meron lang yung mga pwedeng puntahan. Kung sa labas man ng bahay, dapat yung sabihin na natin crowded or yung mga hindi mahangin na part. So, dun pwede mag-play. Kahit sa outdoor ka man mag-play, pwede lang, basta't hindi mahangin. So, yun lang yung required na pwedeng sabihin dito. So, there are no permanent available for facilities. However, that's not always possible. So, pwede lang din. So, next. So, ito yung dapat nyong i-consider pag maglalaro tayo sa indoors or at home. So if you want to play table tennis at home, you could use any space that will accommodate a table tennis with a table of 9 feet long and 5 feet wide with a 2.74 meter and 1.525 meters. So ito yung wide na ng table na gagamitin mo pag maglalaro ka ng table tennis at home. So, however, any area smaller than the recommended size of 8.5 meter and 4.12 meter will mean that you'll be restricted in either type of strokes you can use and or your style of play. So, kung yung binigay na measurements is mas maliit, is that hindi ka makakapag-play ng maayos. Hindi ka makakagalaw din ng maayos doon kasi limited lang yung galawan mo kasi sabi nga kanina is that ang mas maliit sa 9.5 meter and 4.12 meter is restricted in either types of strokes. So, hindi ka makakapaglaro doon ng maayos. But remember, the idea is to have fun. Pero kung ang gusto lang naman is magsaya, ganun, or making it a fun game, pwede lang din naman yun. Basta't, yun, may fun. Charot. So, next is that. So, yun lang yung dapat nating malaman about the facilities. So, next is that, we need to talk about the equipments. So, ito yung mga pangangailangan din pag magpe-play tayo ng table tennis. So, the first thing we need to talk about is the table. Okay, hindi tayo makakapaglaro ng table tennis without the table. So, dito sa parte ng table din, meron na din dito yung net niya. So, yung net niya is merong height na 15.25 centimeter. Tapos, dun sa overhang of the net is 15.25 centimeter din. So, yun. Tapos, table constructed of a 1.9 centimeter thick thin plywood. So, plywood po yung kailangan natin to make the table sa table tennis. So, 2.74 meter in length kung gaano siya kahaba or 274 centimeter. Tapos, sa height niya naman is 1.52 meter or 76 centimeter. So, gaano din siya kataba. So, yun yung mga i-consider natin if we make the table of table tennis. So, playing surface should be dark. So, yung surface or yung pagkukulayan na natin yung table niya, it should be dark. Usually green. Kung alam niyo yung blackboard sa school, mga ganon, pwedeng ganon yung kulay. Or blue or non-reflective color. So, ito yung mga kulay na dark na hindi pwedeng mag-reflect. Yung wala kang makikitang reflection pag magkukulay ka. And it should lie in horizontal plane with 70 cm above the floor. So, horizontal. So, pahiga siya. Hindi naman pwedeng vertical kasi hindi ka na makakapaglaro. So, horizontal siya. So, 76 cm ang taas niya. Okay? So, sidelines and end lines are white and should be, so, ang sinasabi ko dito is yung line niya. Kung nakikita nyo, meron kayong makikita dyan na line na white dyan sa itaas ng board. So, it should be 2 cm in wide. So, meron siyang 2 cm na taba. So, yun. Yung mga nakapalibot. And the counter line is also white but only 3 mm wide. So, meron, konti lang siya, maliit siya. Hindi siya as in hindi siya as in totally mataba. Okay? So, yun ang ating malalaman sa table. So, kung gusto nyo gumawa at home, mag-DIY, so, yun yung dapat nating i-consider. Yun. So, next is the racket or paddle. So, eto lang yung dapat nating gamitin na paddle pag maglalaro tayo ng table tennis. Hindi po natin pwedeng gamitin yung racket po ng badminton ha, for your information lang po. Ito is a wooden rubber faced racket. So, wooden po siya na meron siyang rubber. Then, as mandated by the rules. Meron po rules yun na dapat ang gamitin nyo is ganito na meron siyang rubber. The stringing surface of the racket must be covered with a pimpled rubber facing inward and outward. So, eto, nakikita nyo dito na red part, eto yung sinasabi kong rubber. At dun sa likod niya is meron ding rubber doon. Then, a single layer of cellular or the sponge rubber may be located under the rubber surface. So, dun po sa, dun sa back ng red na to is meron kang makikitang sponge doon. So, the two surface of the lid shall be blacked on one side and bright red on the other side. So, hindi pwedeng magkapareho yung kulay na both light red and both black. So, dapat magkaiba ng kulay. So, yun yung ating magiging paddle. So, next. Okay. Ito rin ang isang pinaka-importante na magagamit when you play table tennis. Hindi ka makakapag-play ng table tennis without a ball. So, this is what we call the ping-pong balls. So, it is small, celluloid, spherical, white or yellow in color with a 40 mm diameter and 2.5 grams in weight. So, hindi siya as in mabigat. Medyo magaan lang siya kasi meron lang siyang 2.5 grams. So, infragile but quite hard to break unless stepped on. So, hindi siya nasisira agad-agad unless tapakan mo siya. So, dun lang siya masisira pag tatapakan mo. So, the ITTFF approved that standard ball has a uniform bounce. So, hindi lang pag makikipag-tournament ka, meron yung mga required balls na gagamitin mo. Hindi ka pwedeng gumamit ng mga ping-pong balls lang dyan. Meron yung mga required or meron yung talagang mga ginawang balls para lang sa table tennis. Pero kung sa pang-fun lang naman, ganyan, pwede naman gumamit ng mga anong bola. Pag fun. Pero pag, pag makikipag-compete na, pwede na gamitin yung. So, ito lang yung mga basic needs or ito lang yung mga talagang needs if we play a table tennis. So, these are the 3 equipments lang na ibigay ko. Pero, pag maglalaro tayo, pag fun, pwede lang din na kahit wear a t-shirt, shorts, ganon. Hindi naman required na mag-jersey ka doon, ganon. Pero pag makikipag-compete ka, meron din naman yung ipapagawa ng mga damit nyo and shoes. Tapos yung mga needs pa doon is especially water and towel. Yun yung mga iba pa. Pero, ang pag-uusapan lang natin dito is the equipments and the facilities. So, yun lang yung ma-share ko about the facilities and equipment of table tennis. So, thank you everyone. That's all.